pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about another.
So let's do this pantry haul. Okay, so this is what we have. Take a couple of these out. Y'all already see sweet kale, organic broccoli, Asian chopped, more broccoli. And we have some blackberries, a whole lot of them, some plums. Let's go to the other one, some plums. My daughter got one. Some more salad, more blackberries, some apples, some mint, organic, some organic baby spinach, some blueberries, organic, more apples, more blackberries. You want to help with your pantry haul? Show them that. The next bag. Okay, sweet peppers, cauliflower, more peppers, more apples, more salad, some kale, some baby spinach. The broccoli's over there. Some cauliflower, some organic spinach, spring mix, some mushrooms, some artichokes.
I think I eat it.
Next bag. Yes, we can. Oh, and we can eat the broccoli, right?
We can eat these.
Go ahead, show them.
And we can eat these.
There you go. Organic baby broccoli. And some tomatoes, baby tomatoes. Some more baby spinach. Some more, what is this? Mushrooms. Some more organic blueberries. There you go. Alright, next bag. More organic, see? It's organic baby, sweet baby broccoli. Never saw it. Some more mushrooms. Some more plums. Some more plums. Some more artichoke. Kale, we saw that.
Mommy.
Some lime. Watermelon. Yes. We are. Some more blackberry. And that's it. Yeah. So that's 4 bags. All free. Hey y'all. So let me ask you a question. Do any of y'all go to the pantry? I know y'all don't like answering, but I don't care. Do you go or not? Do you like free food? Oh, okay. Just want to know. But anyway, I am renovating my kitchen. And look at this. Look at this. These were only $11.95 on Amazon. These gold knobs. And I love them. And I bought another pack. And I will be painting it white. Yes, you heard me. So I bought my Benjamin Moore paint. And I went and got my brushes. And I am ready. And in the next shorts, in the next few weeks, you will be seeing me. Yes, me. Getting on my HGTV wave. Because y'all already know I love it. Look at her. She loves it too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you love mommy things, everything mommy, everything vegan, everything healthy, okay, and resourceful, okay. And if you like living on a budget, being bougie on a budget, yes, that's me. Okay, so subscribe. But anyway, look at this. I'm cleaning it, wiping it. You only seeing a glimpse of it because this is not the full thing, and obviously my cameraman does not know how to record, so that's why you are seeing this. But I got my new camera and my new phone. Woo woo, my Pro Max. So crystal clarity you will be getting. Thank you. You're welcome. So I'm twisting these on, and you will see me. We went to CVS, and we're gonna pick up her pull-ups because my girl is still, yes, incontinent in the bed. I'm gonna say that. But anywho, look at this. Ta-da! How I did, y'all. And I will be also doing some Play-Doh because we did it off camera, and I wanted to do the bloopers first, get that out the way, the kinks, because I'm not trying to embarrass myself. Yes, I'm big on not embarrassing myself or my child. Yes, sir. So, after this, we're going to CVS. We're picking up our stuff. And they sell sunflowers. Did y'all know that? They sell roses and sunflowers. I guess you have to be in the right neighborhood, okay? Because CVS in Brooklyn, New York, never sold no sunflowers. I never saw.
Good job.
So
nice.
we went to her school because they had a youth
Good job.
uniform sale.
Yeah.
But she had to like, and the music was playing, and Katy Perry is not gonna get me for copyrighting her song. So no, you're gonna be hearing my beautiful voice over this voiceover. But I got some things because I'm going to take it to my tailor and have him put it on the shirts and on her dresses and everything else. I just need the design. But they also have a thing that they can help you. So I didn't know. So, hey, I might not have to do that after all. And we went to get some Cinnabons because they just opened a new Cinnabon in Carvel spot. And yes, I had to go. And it was so good. I forgot how good it was. Oh, my goodness. Ooh, honey. It was good. I'm about to go get me another one later tonight. But, ooh, yes, let's look at this. And Auntie Anne's. How is that possible? Like, all this goodness in one place? Yes, hunty, yes. Look at it. Ta-da. Stop it. You know I had to taste it. You see the icing on my fingers, but big back. Now let go.
Let's see, we're gonna go to the baby. Oh wow.
Birthday.
I know, isn't that
See, it's really behind the glass.
nice?
Okay.
Come on.
Oh, wow. How much you got?
Oh, you know what I need?
Okay, 2. Okay. Show him the look. Show the camera. Show. YouTube.
Nice.
Footage.
Nice.
My baby.
Oh, look at the sunflower. Yes, Nova.
We're getting it.
Here, get all of these.
That it was painting her lawn.
Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed by making some curry chicken with some white rice. And I'm about to boil the potatoes and put it in. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.